This jug is brought to you. Yo, it's your boy Badlands Chugs, and I just want to let you know that Badlands Chugs merch is on, alright? Yo, if you want the official Badlands Chugs DOS boot signed and everything, you want the merch, you want the keychains, man, yo, it's all at badlandschugsmerch.com, alright? Visit Badlands Chugs merch for all your Badlands Chug stuff. We got new shirts, new designs. Go tell a friend and check it out. badlandschugsmerch.com. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Getting the Truth OGs in the house and George the Smorgasbord Trigger. We're here in Texas and we just a little thirsty. And we're gonna see if we can drink this 2-liter Dr. Pepper, 0 sugar, without bourbon. Don't touch that mouse. You're watching Badlands Chugs. You know when it has 0 sugar, it has twice the carbonation, so enough talk. Let's crack this open. All right, cheers, fella. Cheers. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
I'm still holding it back.
Whoa! That's a lot of carbonation. Oh my goodness. Woo! Well, tried. I got this far. How far, Joker?
Oh yeah.
All right.
You just want to get. That was difficult.
Oh, that was hard.
that was a good one.
Goodness. Oh my God. Well,
yeah, let's try and finish it all. You know, now that we've got rid of a bit of the carbonation, to just finish up.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta finish it, y'all. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh man.
Right. Woo! Woo-wee! Woo!
Yeah, a lot more difficult than y'all think, guys.
Man, the lion burst. Woo-wee! Well,
great job, guys.
That's a quick little chug, all right?
All
right, yes. So, we are out, okay?
It's not easy.
This is very carbonated, all right? But get you some of this if you see it in your local store. Pick up some Dr. Pepper, all right? So, that's the video, though. Stay hungry and focused, folks. Peace. Chugging the world, one bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back.